Welcome to Innovation Leadership. This comprehensive guide will help you understand how to foster a culture of creativity and innovation within your organization. Throughout this series, we will explore the key principles, strategies, and practical steps needed to become an effective innovation leader. Whether you're managing a small team or leading a large organization, these concepts will help you unlock the creative potential of your people and drive meaningful change. Innovation leadership is the ability to guide your team towards creative problem-solving and continuous improvement. It's about creating an environment where people feel empowered to think differently, take calculated risks, and challenge the status quo. An innovation leader doesn't necessarily come up with all the ideas themselves. Instead, they create the conditions that allow their team members to contribute their best thinking and transform ideas into reality. This approach leads to better solutions, higher employee engagement, and competitive advantage. The foundation of innovation leadership rests on four key pillars. First, vision and strategy. You must clearly articulate where the organization is heading and why innovation matters. Second, culture and psychology. Build psychological safety where people feel comfortable sharing ideas without fear of judgment. Third, systems and processes. Establish clear pathways for ideas to be evaluated and implemented. Fourth, capability and skills. Ensure your team has the tools, training, and resources they need to innovate. When these four elements work together, you create a powerful engine for innovation. Psychological safety is the foundation of innovation. It means your team members believe they can take interpersonal risks without fear of negative consequences. When people feel safe, they speak up with ideas, admit mistakes, and ask for help. You can build psychological safety by responding constructively to ideas, even if you disagree. Show vulnerability by admitting your own mistakes. Acknowledge and learn from failures rather than punishing them. Listen actively to your team members. Make it clear that diverse perspectives are valued. When your team knows their ideas will be heard and considered fairly, innovation flourishes. Creative thinking is the engine of innovation. To encourage it, first expose your team to diverse perspectives and experiences. Bring together people from different backgrounds and functions. Ask open-ended questions that challenge assumptions and spark new thinking. Create dedicated time for exploration and experimentation. Give people permission to step back from their daily work to think about bigger problems. Encourage cross-functional collaboration where different disciplines can learn from each other. Celebrate unconventional thinking and reward people who bring fresh perspectives. Remember, creativity is not a talent only some people have. It's a skill that can be developed with the right environment and practice. Innovation requires taking risks, and some risks will result in failure. The key is managing failure productively. Establish a clear distinction between intelligent failures and negligent ones. Intelligent failures are well-intentioned experiments that don't work out. Negligent failures result from carelessness or ignoring warning signs. Encourage intelligent failures and learn from them. Create a blameless post-mortem process where teams analyze what went wrong without pointing fingers. Help people understand that failure is a valuable source of learning. Share failure stories in your organization to normalize it. When people see that failure doesn't end careers, they become bolder in their thinking and more willing to pursue innovative ideas. Effective innovation requires diverse teams with complementary skills and perspectives. When building innovation teams, look for both subject matter experts and creative generalists. Include people with different functional backgrounds. Seek out individuals with proven track records of innovation, but also develop untapped talent from within your organization. Create psychological safety within the team so members feel comfortable collaborating. Establish clear roles and responsibilities. Foster a culture of mutual accountability. Provide the right mix of structure and autonomy. Teams that are too tightly controlled stifle creativity. Teams with no structure become chaotic. The best innovation teams have clear goals and constraints, but freedom in how they achieve them. Having great ideas is only the first step. The real challenge is converting ideas into impact. Establish a clear innovation funnel with defined stages: idea generation, screening, development, testing, and scaling. At each stage, use explicit criteria to decide which ideas move forward. Make decisions quickly to maintain momentum. Provide adequate resources and support to promising ideas. Remove organizational barriers that prevent implementation. Assign clear ownership and accountability for each initiative. Build feedback loops so teams learn what's working and what's not. Celebrate successful implementations and share learnings across the organization. This systematic approach transforms innovation from something that happens by accident into something that happens by design. Putting innovation leadership principles into practice requires intentional actions. Start by examining your current culture. What behaviors are rewarded and what are discouraged? Are people speaking up with ideas or staying silent? Next, identify 1 or 2 high-impact changes you can make immediately. Perhaps it's launching a new idea submission process or conducting team workshops on creative thinking. Communicate clearly why innovation matters to your organization and how it connects to business goals. Model innovative thinking yourself by asking better questions and sharing your own learning experiences. Set clear expectations that innovation is part of everyone's job, not just a special initiative. Track progress and adjust your approach based on what you're learning. You cannot manage what you don't measure. Track the volume and quality of ideas being generated by your team. Monitor how many ideas are actually implemented versus how many are proposed. This conversion rate tells you how well your organization is executing on innovation. Measure the business value created through innovation. This might include revenue from new products, cost savings from process improvements, or strategic benefits like entering new markets. Assess team engagement and culture through surveys and feedback. Measure psychological safety, sense of belonging, and motivation levels. These metrics help you understand whether your innovation leadership efforts are working. Use these measurements to guide your continuous improvement as a leader. Innovation leadership is a continuous journey, not a destination you reach and stop. Start today by fostering creativity in your team. Create the conditions where people feel safe to share ideas and experiment. Build systems that turn ideas into reality at scale. Remember, you don't need to have all the answers. Your role is to unlock the creative potential in your people and guide them toward meaningful impact. The organizations that will thrive in the future are those led by leaders who understand that innovation is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Take the first step today. Choose one principle from this series and implement it with your team. The path to becoming an innovation leader starts with a single action.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.